Let's talk about why DIY destroys your business. It takes time away from doing activities that make the business the most money. Here's a scenario. Let's say you can make $500 an hour with your business doing what you do best. But you need a website and someone can do that for $50 an hour. But instead, you decide to do it yourself in order to quote unquote save money. The conclusion: you believe you're saving money by not paying someone $50 an hour to build your website, but you're actually losing out on the $500 an hour you could have made. If you pay someone to build the website, you essentially, after paying them, make $450 an hour. That's 8 times more than what you're paying the website developer. For example, DIY services like web hosting, where you can build your own website essentially, know that it's counterproductive to do DIY for any entrepreneur. You're basically just giving your money away. But we think we're being productive by building our own website. You can hire for a variety of things: your website, graphic design, customer service, social media, etc. And the best thing about DIY is, even if you can do it well yourself, your expertise are required elsewhere to make the business grow. This is Deshawn on Lead and Grow.